Howard's in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen now with a main dish, and the ingredients probably right in your pantry.
From reading your emails, we know that many of you like anything with tuna in it. And when we recently made a super creamy tuna noodle casserole, we were blown away by how many of you went to MrFood.com to get the recipe. So to satisfy your endless appetite for tuna, we came up with the best tuna croquettes ever. All we do is drain and flake a large can of tuna and place it in a bowl, along with a good amount of mashed potatoes, some frozen peas that we've thawed, some finely chopped red onion, a bit of breadcrumbs, a touch of spicy mustard, a beaten egg, and a little salt and pepper. After gently mixing this together, we shape it into patties just like we would when we're making a burger. Now, we coat these with some breadcrumbs before pan frying them in a bit of oil. When they're golden and heated through, they are ready to serve. We can even make these ahead of time and simply heat them in the toaster oven or oven whenever we want. Maybe top them with our homemade lemon dill sauce, and are you ever in for a doubly good treat? So here's what I suggest. Go online and get the recipe for our Homestyle Tuna Croquettes, along with our lemon dill sauce, so you can shake up your dinner or lunch routine with something new. I'm Howard with Kelly in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a family-friendly way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.